Okay, well, we've got a lovely Bosch dishwasher here, and it is a great dishwasher. We love it. It's about 12 years old, and it's been making some noises, very odd noises. And tonight it leaked quite a bit under the bottom here, all on both sides, all sides, as it was making the noises. And we know that inlet valves can be an issue. That's the inlet valve down there. And we know float switches can be an issue. That's the float switch right there. And we've got the incoming water coming in right now. So we're running a cycle to test and see what's going on, see if it makes the same noise again. There's a little bit of buildup here in this. I think this is I'm not quite sure what this is actually. So we'll see if it makes the noise. I was able to activate the float switch, by raising this up and hitting the float switch, and it drained okay. And it's filling just fine now. Well, it filled already actually, and it's just doing its cycle now. So we'll see if it makes the same noise when it drains. I'm not quite sure what's going on, but I'll see if I can capture the noise. So it's not making the noise yet. You can see there's a little bit of water down in the sump, right up against that float, the white float there on the left. It's not going up, it's not overfilling and so on. And it's not making the noise. Okay, we're in another part of the cycle. I think I don't actually know. So where are we in the cycle? We are at 16 minutes on a quick wash. I think it was just draining, and it did not. Okay, so now it's refilling. I think it's just drained. It did not make the sound, and now it's refilling. And same water level down there. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, so it's continuing to fill. It sounds like it's in a wash cycle right now. Not leaking. Okay, the fill just stopped, which is good. I mean, it looks like that inlet control valve, it stopped the water. There's no water flowing. So that's, I think, positive. I thought I needed to replace the inlet valve, but it doesn't seem to be having a hard time controlling the flow. Okay, I believe it is draining at the moment. No sound. No leakage. It's doing everything right. The last time I heard that weird sound that I associate with the problem was when I lifted this up. I tried it before. I could try it again now. Okay, it's not even. There must not be any. It's right in there, but I guess it's already draining, so maybe that's why it didn't do anything. Okay, now it looks like it's refilling again. I could try this. Yeah, that's the sound. Oh boy, it just barely did it, but when it overflowed last time, it was cavitating like that. It was like a zzz, like that, and it was when that float goes up. It's not doing it now. But hopefully you guys heard that a little bit. Okay, this is the noise. So what's happening? So we don't have water draining out. We have water coming in. It doesn't seem like it's like abnormally high or anything. What is going on? Not this. It does sound a little bit like it's coming from there, which might make sense because that's the thing that's feeding, I mean that's the inlet water valve. What in the world is that? Actually, you can almost see it vibrating. Definitely feel that inlet water valve is shaking. Totally shaking. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so my guess is that water is coming in. Perhaps should not be at this moment. It might start overflowing. Surely, I'm going to shut this off. It's at the 6-minute mark. That's a 6. I'm going to pause this. Interestingly, even after I pause it, the water keeps coming in. So see, it's not draining anymore. The water is still flowing in. Isn't that interesting? Now if I go under here and I shut off the water valve, oh sorry, you can't see this. I just shut the water valve off. If I can get to it here. Well, that's marvelously quiet, isn't it? So I actually do think that it's the inlet water valve. I didn't think it was. I should be able to turn this on now. Well, I'm going to open it up. I have a few seconds left here in my video. Oh, yeah, it's leaking. Shoot. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on, and we're going to try to drain this sucker to stop the leaking. Okay, that works okay, right? It's like, I think I'm draining it. Can't quite tell, but I'm trusting it. Yeah, there I'm draining it out. Yeah, and the leak. Yeah, there's a whole leak happening down here. I'll show you. Dripping just stopped. You can see it. Yeah, there's the dripping. But we are draining, I think. at this moment. I hesitate to open it. I'm going to do a quick pause.